Thank you. It's our honor. Thank you so much. You're a very sweet lady. Thank you so much.
All right, that guy. I want to share something with you. Okay, wait. It's a very personal thing, but I'll do it because it's Christmas. It's time to share. It's family time. I'm going to go to my files. There's a voice note, okay?
Hi.
Yeah. There's a voice note from my daughter that she sent me during the summer. She did. Swag ki baat hui. The Prince Narula is here. Priyank Sharma. Arun. Make some noise. All right, आगे आ जाओ.
क्या यार,
इन लोगों की तरह आज भी लेट. इनके पास लैम्बोर्गिनी नहीं थे ना, थोड़ा लेट पहुंचे.
इनके एक रेट सेंटा ने इन्हें वैगन आर दिया.
नहीं, बोलेरो. All right, now let's listen to Prince. How much you love Bengaluru, what it means to you to be here, and Christmas कितना important है तुम्हारे लिए?
क्रिसमस का तो नहीं पता, पर मैं बता रहा हूँ बेंगलुरु तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. मैं जब भी यहाँ आता हूँ गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द लव यार. मैं जब भी यहाँ पर भाई क्लब इवेंट करने आया हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि ये जितना जीते हैं ना, मतलब जिंदगी अपने लिए एक बार जोरदार ताली यार. और मेरा नया गाना भी आया बोलेरो, प्लीज सुनते रहना.
All right, Arun, I just want to tell you something about Arun. A lot of you know he's. I was telling Rajiv doesn't know Arun. तो कह रहे Arun कैसा है बंदा, मेरे को बताओ. This is a guy who's the first guy who came from Roadies battleground. और जनरली जब रोडीज के बैटलग्राउंड से कोई आता है उसको एक दो हफ्ते में निकाल देते हैं लोग, मतलब 2-3 दिन में, बिकॉज बॉन्ड ही इज द फर्स्ट गाय हु वन रोडीज. बट दैट्स जस्ट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ हिज जर्नी. एवरी टाइम आई मीट हिम आई सी, कभी ये स्केटबोर्डिंग सीख रहा होता है, कभी ये ब्रेक डांसिंग सीख रहा होता है, कभी ये सर्फिंग सीख रहा होता है, एंड नाउ ही इज अ म्यूजिशियन. वेरी प्राउड ऑफ यू. प्लीज लेट्स हियर इट फॉर अरुण.
Hi guys, I think you've got a brief introduction of me from Ransar. It's actually a I think Priyank bhai answer दे पाएंगे इसका.
Now, one of the best things about Priyank is that there's a lot more beyond the looks. He's 10 on 10 on looks, but that's just the beginning also, like I was telling you. Very talented dancer, quickly realized that he has the potential to do other things, became a great actor, and he has these small dreams that I don't think his followers know, but I think 6-7 years ago he told me, bhai, there's a dance studio in the US and I want to go there and I want to dance. And one of these days, I think a couple of weeks ago, I saw a photo of yours outside the dance studio, so I really like that you have these
famous जगह है यहाँ पे. थोड़ी हैपनिंग जगहों का नाम लेना मुझे याद नहीं है. कोरमंगला एक डांसिंग स्टूडियो था, वहाँ मैं सिखा रहा था, मुझे याद है. और थोड़े से हेल्प.
ब्रिगेड रोड
नहीं मुझे याद नहीं. और MG रोड. Churchsheet. I remember Churchsheet was one of the centers we had, and Kishan Bilagli is one of the dancers over here. He's from Bangalore and he had his institute over here and I was teaching. So बहुत लोगों को डांस सिखाया यहाँ पे. आज खुद नाच रहा हूँ, वैसे मैं जिंदगी नचा रही है मुझे. बट एनीवे, एवरीथिंग एल्स अपार्ट, इट्स वेरी गुड टू बी बैक इन बैंगलोर. बहुत अच्छा मौसम है यार यहाँ पे. एक ही हुआ है कितना है? कितना 100? हाँ, मैं दिल्ली से आ रहा हूँ.
ओके गाइस,
पता नहीं अभी
ये लोग पता कितनी देर से वेट कर रहे हैं?
माफ कीजिएगा.
फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग? 3 minutes. अच्छा, you were waiting for all of us or also Nikhil Chinappa? Nikhil also, just all of us. तो शुरू करते ना, छोड़ो ना निखिल चिनम्बा को यार, क्या है उसकी जरूरत भी तो हमें तभी मिल पड़ती है जब पार्टी शुरू हो, जब डीजे की जरूरत है. ओके गाइस, Nikhil's a little late but we won't wait for him. There is a party after this where Nikhil's going to be there because he's our brother. We'll all meet him there, but for now I'm going to get the host back on stage because अगर हम बातें करते रहे तो पूरी रात कट जाएगी यहाँ पर. But बहुत सारे काम करने. Please come back on stage.
मजा आया आपको? इतनी सारी बातें. The band of boys, the band of brothers, fantastic. Come on, जोरदार तालियां बजाइए एक बार इनके लिए. And their love for Bengaluru, yeah? All right. Okay, are you ready for this Christmas tree to be lit now? You're ready? Yeah? Okay, if you're ready, then make some noise. I like that. Okay, I'm going to invite one more gentleman on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करिए अतुल रुइया जी का. He of course is our chairman of Phoenix Mills Limited. Come on, please welcome Mr. Ruiya on stage. And with that, we're going to start with our Christmas tree lighting. Ranvijay, you want to say something?
Yeah, you said one more gentleman. The only gentleman on stage will be him. हम लोग तो
I agree.
mental men हैं.
I take that back. The only gentleman with the lovely lady sparkling on stage, Mr. Ruia, and of course, Mrs. Ruia. All right. Okay, I'm going to give you a countdown, okay? Ranvijay, can we do this? Rajiv, can we do this? Okay. We're going to give you a countdown, okay? Okay. आप सब मेरे साथ बोलेंगे? Let's do this, okay? Okay. All right, okay. So there we have, the countdown is going to appear there. And with that, we're going to light up the Christmas tree. Because man is going to live forevermore. 10, 9, 8,
Let's go.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And 1. Merry Christmas, ladies and gentlemen. Feliz Navidad to all of you. May the Lord shine His face upon you. Congratulations.
Used to love and call him names. They never let Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one fine Christmas,
Thank you to all the boys and Mr. Ruia, our chairman, and Mrs. Ruia also on stage.
with your nose.
Thank you.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a bright shining nose.
Knew it.
Used to love and call him.
Thank you very much for being a fantastic audience, waiting around. A very happy Christmas. Do join us for the afternoon party. The mythical Nikhil Chinappa is going to be playing there.
So full